In this video, we're doing problem number 9 on the review and 10. Alright, so we're writing a simple expression for the perimeter of both the rectangle and the equilateral triangle. So if you notice that this here is 4x plus 5. So if that's 4x plus 5, this here is the same distance as this right here. So we're going to put 4x plus 5. This distance here and this distance here are the same, so we're going to put 2x minus 2. Alright, so when we add, we're just really going to take each value for x here, and we're just going to add them up. So 4 plus 2 is 6x, and then 4 plus 2 is 6x, and then 6x plus 6x is 12x. Alright, now let's do it with let's do it with the other one. We have a plus 5 and we have a minus 2. Well, that gives us a negative 3. And the same thing here. This right here is going to give us a negative 3. So, I'm sorry, positive 3. Because 5 minus 2 is positive 3. So when we add those, we're going to get plus 6. Now on the triangle, it's an equilateral triangle. So all of them are the same distance. So I'm going to take my x's and add them up. That's 3x. And then add up my numbers, which is going to be a plus 6. So that's the perimeter for both shapes. Now on the number 10, it asks what's the difference between the perimeter of a rectangle and the perimeter of a triangle. Because the term difference means the answer to a subtraction problem, we are going to look for the word and there it is right there. And tells us which one's first and which one's second, and we're supposed to subtract these two. So the first thing is I want to find the perimeter of a triangle, which I have right here. So I'm going to put 12x plus 6. Now the perimeter of the triangle, that's this right here, is right here. So I'm going to put this 3x plus 6. Now remember, it's asking us for the difference. And difference means we subtract. Now when we subtract, we're really subtracting all of the triangle. So this whole thing is being subtracted away from that right there. And because the whole thing's been subtracted, we have to use the distributive property and distribute our subtract sign so that way we can accommodate both terms. Alright, so I just want to kind of show you this. So we're going to take this and we're going to distribute to everything. So really I'm going to write up here 12x plus 6 minus 3x, oh my bad, minus 6. And so now you can see that we have distributed the negative, and now we're just going to solve it. And so we just combine our like terms. There's no equal sign, so I'm not going to say plus 3 to both sides. I'm just going to say 12x minus 3x, and that's 9x. And then the other one is plus 6 minus 6, that's 0. So my answer is going to be 9x.